So we just done a job on a Worcester Green Star fan. We made a video before today's conversation about the diagnostics of it, and we traced it to the fan. We've now since changed the fan. Isaac's done it. This is the first time he's changed the fan on this type of boiler, and he went through high intensive learning how to do that. He didn't just learn how to change the fan. What he learned, it was the forward thinking, the other problems what he could incur, the preparation of his workspace, the preparation of everything what he had to do around that job. So when I'm showing students how to do a job, it's not, as I said, it's not just a job, it's the whole package, the whole thing. So the customer experience is at the highest standard. The customer was happy with the job, what was done. Now with the techniques what we use, once the student goes through the process what Isaac has just done, we video it, and then he can look at the video, he can go over his actions, what he did, doing the actual replacement of the job, the part, so he can then cement that in his mind, visualising it, doing it over and over in his head. So next time he comes to do it, his confidence level will be a lot higher for him to do the job. So Isaac, I want to just explain to the viewers the sequence of events and how you felt. I know it was high pressure because of the amount of information what was thrown at you, but just explain, how you felt, and are you confident in doing that job again on your own?
Yeah, I felt good after the work. As like you rightly said, it was high intensive training with much of information that you train at me at the same time. So I just need to I was able to compose myself to grasp and try to understand what your directives, and the procedure by bringing out the fan and the mixing tube was clear. Preparing my work area was another thing I learned today, that I need to make sure my work area is clear and tidy in order to to avoid accidents and all this kind of stuff. Then the technical part of it, of looking at the old fan, looking at the new one, checking to see if you need to add anything into it, such as the O-rings that came with the new one, and was able to put them back on, the brackets, and putting everything back together was quite clear. And for sure, if I come across that kind of baller next time with this video, going over it and visualizing it in my head, then I'll be able to do the job on my own next time.
Okay, good. So what would you say the way it was delivered in a short space of time, high intensive information, backed up by video of the whole thing so you can go over it? Would you say that is essential, the way it was done, for you to be confident, for you to go back and do that again?
Yeah, it is, because there are times that you just do a job and you forget the process of what you went through or how you did it. But with the video, you can go through the video, have a look at it again, and by doing that means you are creating a very clear image of that in your mind. And even without the video, later on you can just sit down in a quiet place and meditate and visualize yourself doing that job, not in front of the boiler, but you can just imagine yourself doing the job. So that builds you up internally. It builds your mind up, and it makes you focus on that procedure. So it's a good method of teaching.
Exactly. And this is why the statement what your person who was training with you when you first done your gas portfolio, said you're going to take years for you to do anything like this. Obviously you didn't know these techniques, what had been adopted, and in these strategies for information to be transferred over to someone else at a high level, and for you to be confident in doing what you're doing. So the strategies, the techniques, what we use are basically totally unique. Totally unique. There's no training like this. So guys who want to become a Masterful Engineer, you know where to call. Click on the link below, go to our website, you can subscribe to our channel and follow me on there. You can also come on a program like Isaac and the others and join us, learning this great way of learning, fast, be confident, and talk just like Isaac, the way he's talking about the job. It says it all for itself. So that's the end of this short video on basically the way to be trained in this fantastic way. So we're going to see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.